everyone. We're here at the Outdoor Campus West in Rapid City with Clint, one of the naturalists here, and today we're talking about Dutch oven cooking as one of the classes y'all teach here.
Correct, and there's a couple of different ways we could be using a Dutch oven. I like to use a Dutch oven just when I'm in my kitchen cooking wild game. There's something about cast iron, or that cast iron does things differently than a regular old Teflon pan or a stainless pan. And then another thing that you can do with the Dutch oven pots and pans is to bring it when you go camping. And if you're out on a big old campsite and a couple of things you like to do while you're out camping is fishing, hiking. They'll spend some time cooking meals on a fire. So that's one of the things we can do at the outdoor campus is show you how to do some of those basic things for you to get motivated and get out and learn a new skill. In the class, we're going to include some cast iron maintenance, things to do, how to care for this stuff. You don't just wash this with soap and water like you would a regular pan. So that we'll give maybe a couple of recipes of here's a couple things that work really well, and then we'll cook something up. This Dutch oven has some legs to it to help get the pot up off of the coals and to help set nicely once we put it in the fire ring. And on the inside you can see this is nice and clean, but it's almost got kind of like a rough edge to it, and that's what we would consider our seasoning. So the next thing we did was we got our charcoal briquettes rolling, put a little paper underneath here on this little chimney coal starter, and lit that up, put our charcoal briquettes in the top, and it really holds in the heat to get those briquettes started. Now we start to create an oven. This is not just cooking from the bottom, it's an oven. So we're putting the lid on with we've got our meat and our veggies in there. And the briquettes are going to sit on top and they're going to sit on the bottom, creating a oven. So we're heating from all sides. With that, you get a nice even heat. So we got a really brothy liquid all around our elk shanks is what we cook. So it's a bit of an Italian dish that I made up.
So in the classes you teach, you're kind of going through a whole scenario of what a family could do to put together a meal, from top to bottom.
Right, and just give it some of the skills needed and the confidence to go out and do it on your own.